I welcome Mr. Hari P.S., MD of NGGF, Mr. Ajit Kuriakos, Portuguese.
Now, have you ever wondered where the oxygen comes from? Right. You being, we came in 132nd. And then, to illustrate all these things, we have created a theme song and a video.
கடலிலும் ஒழுகும் காட்டிலும் மலையிலும் தெளிநீர் புழையிலும் ഏതൊരാവൽ പൂവുകൾ ഭീതി പകരും രൂപികൾ ഉടലു വളരും നിഴലുകൾ ഭൂമി ആ ഭൂമി അഴകുമൊളിയും മങ്ങിമായും ദുഃഖപുത്രി.
I represent a company called DNV. It's a Norwegian company. It's called Det Norske Veritas. It means the Norwegian truth. Fine, what is the environment? What do you understand by the word environment? Place where we live. Okay, good. I think you have covered most of it. So let's look at it, what it's all about. So it includes air, water, land, the natural resources. What are these? What are natural resources? Minerals, plants. We are coming to that, but there's something else when we say natural resources. Some very important thing. Fossil fuels, excellent. What is this oxygen carbon dioxide cycle? Yeah, plants breathe out oxygen. They take in carbon dioxide for food production, photosynthesis, and animals they leave out carbon dioxide, take in oxygen for respiration. So how is this snake part of the food chain? There are various issues we face today. We will discuss some of these issues which we face today. This is today's reality. We cannot allow nature to live as it is, and we go back to our ancestral times when life was did not have so many needs and everything. Can we go back? So that way, if you look at sustainable development, it's a contradiction. If you want to sustain, you cannot develop. If you want to develop, you cannot sustain. So strictly speaking, sustainable development is not possible. However, we can do a little bit of compromise. So some statistics, 426,000 cell phones are discarded daily. This is the US data of 2007. These are domestic flights, commercial flights. Now, this must go. These are plastic cups. So 1 million plastic cups are trashed every 6 hours in commercial flights in US alone in 2007. We know about it too well. So 60,000 plastic bags are discarded every 5 seconds in US in 2007. We know this only too well. 2 million plastic bottles are dumped every 5 minutes. 1,000 aluminum cans are thrown into garbage every 30 seconds. These are some numbers which are all mind-boggling, right? So this is what consumerism is all about. Ideally, it is required. Life is possible on Earth only if greenhouse gases are there, because this layer of gas ensures that the temperature of the Earth is sustained to a. On top of it, what's happening is, what will happen over a period of time? There will be no more ice to melt. So that's the far end of the situation. So today there is flooding. Flooding means that yes, it is proving that the Earth is warming more. How big is the packing? So much. Yes or no? So all these are, most of this packaging material are non-biodegradable. So this is the real challenge. Okay, so if there are no questions, so thank you for listening. So thank you very much. Wish all.